Hello, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. We've got aluminium louvered shutters on the cubic and on the Vista style here. Show you these aluminium louvered sliding shutters. They're really quite beautiful, but really functional as well, because what you can do is you can close the louvers. You can either have them all open, or you can have, say, the bottom section closed and the top section closed. And what they do is really quite nice, is they slide, so you can slide them along to whatever position you want. And like I say, you can have them all open to let the sunlight in, or you can have them all closed, keep the wind off you, rain, and just make it look a bit more concealed. And then also I just want to mention about this garden range of furniture that we've got on display here. As you can see, there's lots of garden furniture out there, but this is really for people who want something that is a bit more nicer than nice, shall I say. It's very beautiful, so get in touch if you want to know more information. Thanks, bye.